Hello everyone, my name is Vinay Bharaj and I am an internal consultant in a leading retail organization of India. Uh, in terms of academics, I am a mechanical engineer and thereafter I've done sales for a few years. Post that, I did my master's from Narsi Munchi, Mumbai, and after that, I've been working in retail practice. I have just developed the course basis my experience of almost 5 years in retail, and in my past 5 years, I have worked on different projects. I've worked with the owners of the company on growth strategies, on expanding to new territories, on licenses, on new product ranges, versus the other bucket of bringing in operational efficiencies. What is it that you do to get the cost down? What is it that you do to ensure that your supply chain is optimum at all points in time? Hence, with this course, I thought it's very important for me to what I've learned. Let me just share it with you direct from the horse's mouth. So I just prepared this course, and what one can expect in this course is to completely understand. This is an end-to-end course on the buying and merchandising. Required for you to be a good merchandiser. What are the challenges that you face? I will be talking about all the concepts of merchandising, which are the basic terms, which are the definitions. I will be talking about the tools and the trackers that one needs to maintain. I will be talking about the range, the buying and merchandising range planning that one takes, also the financial planning and the risk management involved in it. So it's a complete comprehensive view which gives you a full visibility, and I really hope and wish you all the best in your learning for this course. Thank you.